here is a 2005 Road Rippers Russian Rescue Crown Victoria patrol car. Got this a couple of years ago. It's supposed to have a box, but it got misplaced. There's a chance I have it sitting somewhere, but I can't find it. And also, these are notorious for the light bar lights blowing out. I don't know why, but it happens a lot on these. And also, it runs a lot better because it used to run really stiff, but now it's like perfect.
Distant fly on the beat.